Hello everyone. Well, today I'm in a place called Amritsar, which is in a state of Punjab in India. People come to Amritsar primarily to visit the Golden Temple, which is world famous and is also called the Darbar Sahib Gurdwara. And yes, in Amritsar, if you are here, you have to witness the Langar, which is called Prasad, which is offered to anyone, immaterial of what religion, caste, creed you are. And people come in thousands and they are fed with love and affection. And it is so delicious, this food which is being offered at this Gurdwara. Stay with me and I shall just take you along, and you can also know that how you can reach from Amritsar railway station to the Gurdwara free without paying a penny, by buses which are operated by the state government for anyone who wishes to go to Golden Temple. And yes, people come here to Amritsar also to watch the Wagah border and Jallianwala Bagh. Yes, I have also covered up Wagah border, and you feel free also to watch it my next video. So here I am with you for you to witness how to reach Amritsar from Amritsar railway station to the Golden Temple and enjoy the Langar along with me. A beautiful experience. From the Amritsar railway station, they provide free buses to go to Harman Sahib Gurdwara, that's the Golden Temple. There is a bus with every 15 minutes interval. I'm at the Dharam Singh Market Center, and from here there are a lot of things happening, very busy corner. Today being a Sunday, you find locals, tourists. From here you go to Wagah border, to the Golden Temple, to Jallianwala Bagh. There's a Shani Mandir down the lane, as you cannot see here, but that's the place. And I'm here with some group of locals who are very loving. In fact, somebody gave me a ride free on the motorcycle. He was working in the hotel. The people are very loving here. And this is some aloo. Dhanyavad ji. Aloo puri. People come here even just for a day. They travel in the trains from where all, and they get down at the Amritsar railway station. There's a free service available. They come here, pay the respects, and they have the langar. And they also rest here, as you can see. And in the evening they leave again by the bus service, which is free. Now I'm going to the Langar hall. Once again, you need to ensure that you are cleaning your feet by, oh, it's warm, it's temperature controlled. And this is a massive amount of food being distributed free to anyone, to any caste, from any creed. Unbelievable. Massive organization. Sat Shri Akal. Dhanyavad, Shadi. It's excellent. Right, Guruji Khalsa. Once this is in the hand, and I guess you got to stay in the queue. Wow, look at this. Oh. People are being served hot tea after the food. People are served also with some hot tea in this winter. The doors are open for the langar, and you can see the massive rush. I do not know at one time how many people can be fed, but I can guess it must be in thousands. Once we finish, it's very well organized. They collect the spoons first. All these are all volunteers, as you can see. They just do because they want to do as a seva, kar seva. And here you can see the massive organization, how it works. They collect the dirties and it's passed on by a sea of human beings. And here you can see how it is being passed off. Excellent.
You can't believe.
It's unbelievable, really.
All volunteer working.
I know.
Everyone.
Everyone, yes.
Yeah. You got people coming.
You know,
Join that country.
thank you. I would love to.
I'm from Mumbai. Mumbai? Yeah.
That's how the clinic gets work. You can hear the sound. All you see, all the volunteers. It's unbelievable. They say that you should have a langar when you come to Amritsar to visit the Golden Temple. That's like a prasad. That's for the washing hands. You can see it. What you see is again volunteer services by very common people. They are shining. Not only cleaning, but it's actually, they make sure that it is shining. After being served the langar, it's time to say adieu to Amritsar because now I'll be moving to Wagah border. There's a bus station right after about 10 minutes walk. It is called Hop In, Hop Off. They charge 250 rupees to go and come, and I'm taking that. And it departs at about 2:15 or so. So I think I must leave now. And with my last dip to clean myself, the feet. Now I'm standing at the corner here where I paid my shoe. I had left my shoes to receive it. And this is again, once again, voluntarily, all by Sevaks, as you can see. Unbelievable. Thousands and thousands of people, they come here, and this is a service been extended. Unbelievable. That's the free bus service from here to a railway station. So, although there are many buses going, but people like to go first me. So that's it. I'm having a ride on a hop on hop off bus where the upper deck is open. So this gives a good view of the city, and we are going to Wagah border.